In today's cookbook adventure, we are making a refreshing, creamy cucumber yogurt soda, and our recipe is from Good Drinks. Welcome to today's video. My name is Carol, and let's see what we are working with. I have cucumber, salt, lime, Greek yogurt, and some soda water. This is a Middle Eastern inspired drink. I think it's called do. If the pronunciation is not correct, I'm so sorry in advance. We'll start by making our cucumber yogurt. The recipe calls it cucumber rose yogurt because they use rose water. I didn't have any at the moment, and also it's optional in the recipe. So let's do this. Into our blender, we'll put our cucumber, salt, the yogurt, lime juice, some water. Then after that, we just blend. The next thing, we are going to strain it. We are almost done. Some ice cubes, the soda water, lime juice, then our cucumber yogurt. Moment of truth. That is nice. Wow. This is nice and refreshing. Hey, this is so refreshing. It's creamy and it cools you down, especially on a hot day when the sun is sunning. For the exact measurements for this particular recipe, you need to get the book Good Drinks and enjoy and have fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below which recipe you want me to try out from the book Good Drinks, or any other cookbooks that you want me to try out recipes from. Leave a comment, leave a suggestion down there. That's it for today. So see you next time. Bye bye and God bless.